How to create a port channel infos for data interfaces. How to assign dedicated interfaces for HA failover and state links. How to configure HA on the primary FTD using FMC. How to pair and sync the secondary FTD. How to verify active standby status and ensure configuration synchronization. First, log into your FOS chassis manager. Navigate to Interfaces, add port channels, and click Create Port Channel. Assign a name and port channel ID, for example, 43, choose the type, data, and speed, 10G, and set the mode to active. Then, go to Interfaces, select your physical interfaces, and click OK. Port Channel Configure Complete. This port channel will later be used for your data interfaces such as inside or outside. The port status is currently down because the port channel is not configured on the other side. Now assign port channel to the logical device, go to Logical Devices, then select your FTD logical device, click Edit. Under Data Ports, assign port channel 43 for data traffic. Click Save, FTD, add the interface. The same process applies when configuring other FOS and FTD instances. Once complete, both devices will have identical interface mapping. Then log into the FMC Firepower Management Center. Log into the FMC using admin user. You must first register each FTD to the FMC before forming the HA pair. Navigate to Devices, then Device Management to view the FTDs within their groups. All FTDs have already been added. The video demonstrating this is available on my channel. Select the FTD and go to the Interfaces tab, then sync the device for synchronizing the interfaces in the FMC. After sync, need to save the current interfaces. You can now view the current interfaces of each FTD. Before starting the high availability HA configuration, we need to check for any pending deployments. If pending deployments exist, they must be deployed first, and only then can we begin configuring HA between the FTDs. Navigate to Devices, then Device Management, click Add, and select the High Availability option to configure HA. Set a standard name of HA pair. After setting the name, select the primary firewall that was added earlier, and then select the secondary firewall. Click Continue to begin the setup process. During this time, snort processes of both devices restarts, temporary causing traffic interruption. You'll be prompted to choose, select failover link interface and state link interface, same as LAN failover link. Set a logical name like failover link. Then set the primary IP within the same IP block, such as /30. After setting the primary IP, configure the secondary IP and subnet as shown. Click Add to begin the configuration, deployment, and device synchronization process. After adding the high availability pair, configure the monitor interfaces and apply the same health policy to both HA nodes. After completing the high availability configuration, check the interfaces and IP addresses. Thanks for watching this video.